Hey little birds, do you need Delta Executor? So this is how to get Delta Executor for Roblox, the crazy Roblox mod menu. So all the settings are here, guys. Farm, TP, shop, we can execute, we can do it in all the games. .me, Arsenal, Bed War, Brookhaven, Doors, Blocks, MMM2. Who gives a shit, bro? It's here. So here's a look at the auto farm. It's pretty cool. Here's a look at the teleports thing and the shop and the pets. And you can do it for all the games. I mean, this is crazy, bro. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. But yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, you can see the scripts here, all this stuff. Oh my gosh, bro. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's pretty easy to download, you know. A lot of people might hate on me and stuff, but I'm actually providing a real video. So here's how to get it, guys. No jailbreak, so pretty simple. Go into the browser, and I just want you to go to tweakmod.com. Okay, so type Delta, and there it is. So press install, and now we just have to verify. So this is the last step. Basically, you need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. So they're going to be 100% for free from the official App Store. And once you do this, the Delta Executor will be installed onto your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So let's give it some go. All right, so yeah, I don't do videos like this anymore, but TweakMod, bro, they came in clutch with a site that has never before wowed me with the selection of mods as it did. So as you can see, it's downloading right now. So we just have to download some of these apps. You do not have to download all of them, just 2 random ones like Travel Town, Reach Level 9 or whatever. So I just press continue and then go back, press the little X button, press continue without updates, and then it takes me to the App Store. And then I just got to download it and reach level 9. Or I could do, Merge Gardens, or I could do Swagbucks, TikTok. This one's just down and run for 30 seconds, so that's pretty simple. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, then you'll have the Delta on your device. You can have all the crazy stuff, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but definitely go ahead and try this out because it's actually working, guys. Super cool. So peace out, bro.